Yo, what's good with it, Darshies? So, we got 2 new subscribers. I didn't put out a video a couple days ago because I didn't have time. I'll be straightforward with you guys. I did not have time. I'm very sorry for that, but today we got 2 packs to open, 2 of which I hate. Got them off eBay. I have $5 eBay gift card, so I used that. So, there's the code card. It's a free code card episode, boys. Alright. Got Nuzleaf, Armor Fossil Shielded, Bravery, Tangler, Rullet, Oshawott, Pawniard, Ponyta, Meryl, and Armaldo. This is a good ass card right there, boys. Not a hollow. That's it. Alright, one more pack for the 10th subscriber, boys. Here's the code card, and yeah, there you go. 2, 3. Fossil Excavation Kit, Wormadam, Zygarde, Encino, Coughing, Volibee, Solosis, Cottony, Solosis again, and a rare Kabutops. Overall, I would say those packs are not worth it. I only paid $5 for them. It's alright. But Darshies, I do have to bring something up with you guys. So, my last video, someone decided to dislike. I don't know if I was a Darshi supporter or a Darshi hater, but guys, if you could find that person and tell me who it is, I'd really appreciate it. That's all I have for that part. But yeah, something in the mail came today. My booster box of the new set. Really want to get the Charizard in there. Yeah, this came in today. So at 15 subscribers, I will be opening that for you guys. So, just keep subscribing and liking, boys. Also, if you want a free code, I'm still doing that. Comment down below you want a free code, and then email me. I'll give you my email when you comment. Alright, peace.